Weather Service in Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Dane County in south central Wisconsin, Greene County in south central Wisconsin, southeastern Iowa County in south central Wisconsin, eastern Lafayette County in south central Wisconsin, west central Rock County in south central Wisconsin until 3 p.m. At 2:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lena and moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, an observer reported a 64 miles an hour wind gust 3 miles northeast of Stockton, Illinois. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and buildings. The severe thunderstorm will be near Monroe around 2:45 p.m., Monroe Airport around 2:50 p.m., Monticello around 2:55 p.m., Albany around 3 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Browntown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.